This video, I'm gonna show you how to create the best resume for any job you are interested in applying. So here, what you need to do is first you have to have a resume, like even if it's like not much developed. But I will put this resume in the description if you want. So this is the resume I currently have with all of my details. This is based on Montreal, Quebec. You see the languages and everything because this is very important in Quebec because Canada is like English and French, and in Quebec mostly people speak French. So I had to I had to mention my languages in order to land into jobs because they will expect I have some kind of language with French. So that's why I had to include that. Um, so for my region, this is specific. So I don't know about your region. If it's just one language, you can avoid or something like you can put it in a different locations. Okay, so this is my resume with all the details here and the order, and this is I also work with CramCV, and they said this is the best resume structure I have. And one of the problem here is it goes to like 3 pages, but I had to modify this is in two pages is maximum is better. Okay, now I'm going to show you how to use this resume and generate any better resume for the any job you're interested in. So first you have to have a some kind of resume like the structure you desire, and then you have to have this prompt. Okay, I will put both in my description so you can download and use them. So here is my prompt generator. This is my resume generator. So this is you are an expert resume writer with 20 years of experience helping engineers and technical professionals land jobs and at companies such as Google, Meta, and other leading technology firms. You specialize in creating highly effective ATS-friendly resume tailored to specific job description. So this is basically a role assigned to ChatGPT because ChatGPT will give you the best prompt when you assign a role to it. So that's why you have to assign a role to the ChatGPT and give the context like this, and you provide your resume and job description. And this is the goal you want the ChatGPT to generate, and this is the order you have for the ChatGPT. Okay, and then this is some constraint you mentioned. At the end it's going to ask 2 questions, and then based on the 2 questions it's going to generate the best resume for that job. So now I go to LinkedIn. Okay, not LinkedIn, actually Indeed is better. I go to Indeed, and I look for a job. For example, let's say IT support technician has 20 new job posted, so I select the one, and I'm looking for something that will be suitable with my experience and qualification. I'm looking at this. Uh, Desire for 3 to 5 years experience as an IT technician. Okay, so this is like they're expecting someone with good experience. So this is not suitable for me. And I'm just looking at the basic level with not much experience. You can go in bilingual proficiency, ability to communicate effectively with clients, experience family. Okay. So this is also not something I will be interested in. And I'm looking at is there any job uh, that will be good for me. So here, fluency in, so this one requires fluency in both. That's not good for me. IT desk support, qualification, post-secondary, minimum 2 years. Okay, so this is something look like basic, so I can try it. So I just take screenshot of these 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and then 6, Okay, 7. I have 8 screenshot. I'm gonna use all the 8 and this prompt. Okay, I will attach my resume first. My resume is right here, and I will select the resume I had, and then what I will do is I'll copy this prompt right here, and then I attach all the picture I took. I took like 8 pictures, so I start from here, goes up to here, I attach all of them, and then paste this prompt, and then enter. Now it's gonna ask 2 questions. Okay, do you have any real experience with customer support tasks such as answering questions, handling issues, following a problem document? Self-employed. Okay, so when I'm self-employed, I had a lot like that. So when I'm self-employed as electronic salesperson, I had this expert. I had this. Okay, I had this experience when I do that. Okay. And for French, how would you like to present as bilingual, intermediate, or conversational? I would say I'm just in A1 French level. Okay. So now I'm gonna put both of these. Now based on this, it's gonna tailor my resume for it. So you see, it's such a putting my name, summary, and all my languages and skills, and then core skills and everything, and then professional experience, and then my education related coursework. And you see, it avoid the unnecessary things. For example, in this resume, I had the nursing. Did I put nursing? Let me see. Okay, I missed nursing. But okay, it's tailored based on it. Seems like avoided all this experience. It only says only one role that is relevant to the position I'm applying for. So you can look at this, and you know, and you can find out that this resume, and then this a prompt and some screenshot of the work will work wonders when you're creating resume for any job. Okay, I will attach this resume and the prompt, so you can also use